Hi learners, welcome to English study. আজকে আমরা জেনে নেব as if এবং as though সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে কখন এবং কিভাবে ব্যবহার করা হয়। ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমরা জেনে নিই as if এবং as though এই দুটোই কনজাংশন হিসাবে ইউজ করা হয়ে থাকে। We use as if and as though to make comparison. as if এবং as though উভয়েই যেন এই অর্থে বাক্যে ব্যবহার হয়ে থাকে। And points to be noted, we use as if and as though to talk about an imaginary situation or a situation that may not be true but that is likely or possible. যদিও as if আর as though অর্থ একই, তবুও as if is more common than as though. Let us take some examples for better understanding. The floods were rising and it was as if it was the end of the world. It looks as if they have had a shock. It looks as though you have not met before. Another rule to be followed. We can use both as if and as though followed by a non-finite clause or a prepositional phrase. She moved her lips as if to smile. They were shouting as though in panic. Next rule, as if and as though commonly follow the verb feel and look. She felt as if all her worries had gone. They felt as though they had been given the wrong information. I have got so much work, it looks as if I will have to stay at home this evening. So learners, if you like this type of tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe.